Welcome to Dharya Veda. The today's topic is Sheeta Pitta. Now, nothing but the urticarial rashes, the allergic condition due to the excessive cold weather or a cold exposure to the excessive cold. So, introduction. This is Sheeta Pitta is the skin element influenced by environmental factors, lifestyle, and sensitivity of a body. So what it includes? It includes the two words that formed by the two words Sheeta and Pitta. Whereas Sheeta is considered as a cold and Pitta is the hot. So when in the body Sheeta predominates over the Pitta, Sheeta guna predominates over the hot potency of the body, like Kapha and Vata are aggravated by the Sheeta guna and they are subsiding or getting aggravated with over the pitta, then it causes a physiological imbalance leading to the rashes and itching and severe skin condition, that is nothing but the Sheeta Pitta. So what is the nidhana? Lavana katurasa atisevana. Due to the lavana and katurasa atisevana, the Sheeta Pitta will occur. Due to the divaswapna also some kind of a itching sensation, the kapha adhikyata will occur and abhishandi guna will predominates. That's why the itching or maybe pimples or acne may occur. Being in contact with the cold objects, being in touch with the cold objects, like exposing to the cold wind, exposing to the cold weather, exposing to the cold water, exposing to the cold touches and consuming of heavy Sheeta virya and all. And avidhi vamana, due to the improper, untimely or vamana vyapat, the improper kapha is going to vitiate in the body, that causes the Sheeta Pitta. And kita damsha and krimi samsarga, if any kind of a insect bite or worm is touched or any kind of a microorganism, the allergic reactions what occur are the nidhana for the urticaria or the Sheeta Pitta. And what is the Purva Rupa? How the premonitory symptoms of Sheeta Pitta allergic condition will be there. Pipasa, the excessive thirst will be there. Aruchi, the lack of taste or lack of interest towards the food will be there. And Rakta Lochana, the redness of eyes will be there. Rakta is nothing but the red or the red color only, and Lochana is the eyes, so redness of the eyes or burning sensation of the eyes will be there. Hrillasa, the nausea or vomiting may be there due to the increased histamine level in the body due to the allergic secretions, allergic reaction taking place in the body. And Dehasada, the body ache will be there. And what is the Rupa? How the symptoms of the Sheeta Pitta is there. So how urticarial rashes will form, how it we can diagnose it as the Sheeta Pitta are Bahya Lakshana. The external skin rashes will be like Varati Damshta Samsthana, the occurring of the circular or the heavy, hard, scaly rashes over the body. Red and red patches will occur. And Shota, the nothing but the Utseda Samhatam Shotam, the any kind of a boils or any kind of a little kind of a swelling is also considered as the Shota. So here also the pimples or the acne or urticarial rashes will be there. So that will have the Shota. Kandu, severe kind of a itching will be there. Toda, burning sensation and pricking sensation will be there at the skin lesions. And Abhyantara Lakshana, how the body feels internally. Jwara, there will be a fever will be there, nausea and vomiting will be there. Angasada, that is body ache will be there. Pipasa, excessive thirst will be there. Aruchi, the lack of taste perception or the lack of appetite will be there. These are the lakshana that Sheeta Pitta will present in the body. And what is the samprapti? How it going to occur in the body? Sheeta Maruta Samsargat, Sheeta Maruta Samsparshat, Pradushtau Kafa Marutau, Pittena Saha Sambhuya, Bahirantar Visarpataha. So what it occurs is Sheeta Maruta Samsparshat, Pradushtau Kafa Marutau. By the samsparshanat, by the touching or by in contact with the Sheeta Maruta, the excessive cold wind, cold weather, cold objects or consuming of the vata vitiating or excessive kapha vitiating things. Kapha marutau pittena saha pradushtau. What it does? Sheeta Maruta samsparsha, exposing to the allergens or exposing to the nidhana sevana, it does the pradushana of what? Kapha Marutau. Kapha and Maruta is going to vitiate because of both kapha and maruta will have kapha and maruta, that's nothing but the vata, will have the cold Sheeta guna, so that they are going to vitiate. Pitta sahena, pittena saha, along with the pitta, they will hamper the pitta also, they will predominate over pitta. Sambhuya, by doing the pradushana. Bahirantar visarpataha, by doing the vitiation, they will spread in the body. By from the inside to out, outside to inside, they will spread and produces the rashes, which are associated with the burning sensation, reddish discoloration, severe itching and pricking sensation. That's nothing but the Sheeta Pitta. So how can we form the schematic representation of this Sheeta Pitta? Pitta Dushti will occur by the exposure to the Sheeta Maruta, exposure to the cold objects, cold wind and cold weather. What it occurs? Kapha and Maruta going to vitiate, sudden aggravation of Kapha and Maruta because of the excessive Sheeta guna is there. So Vriddhihi Samanaihi, because of the Samana guna, the Kapha and Maruta going to aggravate, that will cause caused by the Sheeta Maruta samsparshana, that next it will cause the Pitta Dushti. Further, Bahirantar Visarpata, due to Pitta Pradhana Tridosha Dushti will be there, as a braajaka Pitta is going to get hampered, so the skin is going to affected, that is production of a skin, and other symptoms will be there, that is Bahya Lakshana and Abhyantara Lakshana, nothing but the Sheeta Pitta. So what is the treatment, line of a treatment, what we will do? In a modern medicine, we will give the antihistamines, antibiotics and the cetirizine and all other anti-allergic drugs we will prescribe. But this condition is not of a single episode. You know, the Sheeta Pitta will occur and it will vanish. It's not like that. It will occur by episode and episode. When we expose to the allergens, it will reoccur. So we don't have an effective line of a treatment when we are going for a modern line of treatment, because we are giving the immunosuppressive drugs, because hypersensitive reaction is nothing but the allergic reaction. We need to subside the immunity to defense against it. That's why immunosuppressive drugs we are giving there. So there will be a deterioration of a health is going to occur. But whereas in our Ayurveda, we can treat it by the successfully, and we can reduce the much more episodes of the Sheeta Pitta, and we can give a healthy and happy life for the patient. So what is the treatment? Snehana, by the application, maybe mainly a Sarshapataila we are going to apply all over the body, and also the Sarshapataila along with the Yavakshara and Rajani, the nothing but the Haridra we are going to apply, and Svedhana we are going to do, and Vamana, due to the Kapha is hampered in the Sheeta Pitta, so Vamana is the best line of treatment by the Madana Faladi, and Virechana, the purgation by the Trivrut Kalkand, or if he is a soft bowel person, hot water is enough, and Lepana, the Rajani, Durvak, we are going to apply over the skin, and the Khadira Arishta we can administer inside, and Haridra Kanda we can administer. Likewise, we have a different line of a Krimigna and anti-allergic, the Kushtagna Dravya we can try, and Rakta Shodhana Dravya we can administer to the patient for the healthy lifestyle.